Hey guys, we're over here with the King Brown boys, and Scott, I'm going to interview you because you look like the prettier of the the prettier of the two. What have you done, dude?
Just a random blood nose.
Are these things, do they make that much power? You just looked at it and you got a blood nose.
Yeah, it was a GDSR actually.
King Brown stuff. Tell us all about it. Come on in.
Pacemaker King Brown. Also, we've been making pacemaker products in South Australia for nearly 50 years now. All Australian products, Australian steel, Australian made.
There's not too many cars here with extractors that aren't, and headers and stuff that aren't pacemaker, really, when you think about it, isn't it?
It's an iconic Australian name, isn't it?
It goes like, you're going to put something in a Commodore or a Ford, you put a set of pacemakers on it, don't you?
Everyone remembers their paces, mate.
You kind of almost drop the extractors and headers and just go, I've got a set of pacemakers on it.
Yeah, that's it.
Now, you've got a couple of cool cars here as well. Tell us a little bit about what's going on in your stand.
All right, so this is a D&T pacemaker collaboration.
Right.
We kind of just invaded with the King Brown stuff,
Yeah.
It's kind of spreading like wildfire, the King Brown stuff, with the four-wheel drive exhaust and that. So.
And you've got a little bit of everything. You've got
So we've got the VFS Ute, we've got the GDSR, we've got the Camaro.
What's your favourite? Which one's the best?
The GDSR.
Yeah.
GDSR, yeah.
Did you drive it here?
I did.
Are you going to drive it home?
I am.
That's statements. Come and see these guys if you want an exhaust.